Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this video we are going to be making oha soup. Yes, it's what we are going to be making over here. So feel free to use any protein of your choice. So I'm going to be using fish, dry beef and some dry fish. So this soup is highly requested from one of my customers. So I'm going to be adding some water into it. Feel free to also use your palm kernel or beans kernel, for this recipe. So I'm going to be adding my uziza leaf to it. That is my uziza leaf. I'm also going to be adding my crayfish. Then I'm also going to be adding my pepper. The next I'm going to be adding is my oil. Guys, at this junction I'm going to be adding my salt. I'm also going to be adding my powdered no. Yeah, the taste is okay. I'm also going to be adding my ogiri igbo. So guys, at this junction I'm going to be adding my cocoyam into it for thickener. So the main purpose of this coconut is to thicken the soup. So if you are Igbo brother or Igbo sister watching me right now, so you know what I'm doing. So delicious, guys. So I'm going to be adding my oha leaf in my soup right away. This is my oha leaf. I'm using the dried one. You guys know we are in Europe, so we can't get the fresh one, so we better just do with what we have. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes and the soup is ready. Soup. It was the cocoyam that make it, thick. Guys, our soup is ready. So delicious and tasty. Yeah. See you guys on my next video. Bye.